Alright you guys, Max back here with another video. Today we're straight piping the Harley. We're just taking the muffler off actually. We're gonna try to take one off because two off's just a bit loud. You wanna tell them about the bike, Pedro?
It's an 05 Harley Sportster, 883 cc's. It's carbureted. It's yeah, not too much about it, just a regular old Harley.
That's right, let's get right into it. So we're just taking the old bolt off.
There's one.
Was there just two, right?
Yeah, there's two here and one right there.
It's a tight one. Attaboy.
Whoops.
Sometimes he slips.
That's right. Gotta put it back in.
Should be pretty easy.
So this one is the right side.
Looking for the size for this last one down here.
Yep. That's why we brought the mallet.
Boy.
There we go.
Pops right off.
Oh, wow.
Alright, we decided to go balls deep, take the other one off as well. See if we can get some flames out of this bad boy. Jeez. Yeah, might as well go all in as long as we're doing it. Yeah, might as well go there. Same process for this one, right, P?
Yep.
Alright, go ahead, boss man. Alright, so we're gonna just put one back on, see how loud that is, because with two, I don't know if you guys could tell, but that was like insanely loud.
That sounded a little weird because one will be muffled.
Yeah, well, we'll see how it sounds. We got one on. See if this is just as crazy or what.
Alright, it's a neutral. Let's see. Turn on the show.
Alright, that's how it sounds. Pretty loud. I don't know if you could tell through the video. That's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Probably gonna go back to stock because that's louder than shit, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll leave the link to his channel in the description below, and I'm out. Peace.